Hi everybody, I'm Julie the Whippy Chick, and it is day 18 of my 31-day series of how to get your yarn organized for the upcoming year. So, before I go any further, no, just kidding, this is not a commercial for rolled oats. This is a really great idea though that utilizes canisters like this one or coffee cans to store your yarn. Now I think it's a really clever and whimsical way to reuse items that you would normally just recycle or throw away, but it also looks really cool on the wall. So what they did is they take off this label and they replace it with contact paper. So you could put it with a patterned contact paper on it, and then they put it on the wall. Like I said, you can also do this with coffee cans. Those would probably be a little bit more sturdy, but they might make your yarn smell like coffee as well. I'm not sure how long it would take to get that coffee smell out of the can. Then again, a lot of us are coffee lovers. Not me, I'm a hot chocolate girl, but a lot of people are coffee lovers, and so they might prefer their yarn to smell like coffee. It might give them a little extra boost, and maybe they'll even crochet faster if their yarn smells like coffee. Anyway, I really, really love this idea. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below. I think it's a lot of fun, and you would have to eat a lot of oatmeal or drink a lot of coffee before you could put this into place. Unless you have a lot of friends and you said, hey, can I have your coffee cans? All right, everybody, I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying making it. It's been a lot of fun doing the research and even more fun doing the filming. Until tomorrow, which is day 19, unbelievable, have a great day. Bye-bye.